What's good, YouTube? It's X back today with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you actual results from a client that has signed up for our repair program. So as you see right now, they have a score that says unscorable. That's because every single item that they had on their credit report got deleted. The only thing that's left on there was 2 authorized user trade lines. Everything else that they had on there was negative. So they had collections, repos, evictions, damn near everything on there. Like, we have removed almost 60 items for this client, and this is the proof. I'm not here to fabricate any stories. We don't lie. We show real results, real client testimonies. We don't lie. April 1st, this client came to us with a 479 credit score, and I was like, give me that. They had previously been working with another credit repair company for almost like a year. When they came to us, they said they spent almost $10,000 trying to repair their credit so far, and nobody's really been able to help them. As soon as they signed up, we started taking action. On April 1st, they signed up, we started disputing all of these negative accounts. So as you can see, April 7th is the day where most of these items start falling off. All of these items start falling off. And if you want to check the actual dispute center, this is real. This is live right now. It's loading right now. This is no bullshit. This is all facts. I'm telling y'all, these videos that I drop, it's real game. I'm not bullshitting. So right here, you can see 73 items. Wait, I think it says 73 items. No, 53 items. 53 items was removed on April 7th. And that's not it. There was more items on here that got removed. So they had so many items that they had to do 2 responses. So let's I think this is a collection right here. So before, yeah, look, it's a collection, $1,500. They only paid me $1,000. So just off of this one collection by itself, you made your money back. I think this was, what is this? Vera's credit, $28,000 removed. So I believe that was a repo, or it might have just been a credit card. I'm not really sure, but let's actually check. I think this was it says repossession. So we removed the repossession in 6 days, $25,000. So imagine how much just those 2 accounts by itself. If you have those 2 accounts on your credit report, you can't get approved for pretty much anything. If you have a collection and a repo together, you can't get a new car, and you can't get approved for an apartment. You can't get approved for a home. You can't get approved for a new credit card. So just those 2 accounts getting removed by itself is damn near 10 times you getting your money back, because now all you have to do is start rebuilding your credit. You can go get access to these new credit cards. You can go get access to pretty much anything that you need access to. So many of these credit repair companies promise you so much. They overpromise. I don't promise anything. I don't tell you I'm going to get you anything removed off of 7 days. I say it is a process. We have a system. We have a systematic process that we do. If you want to join our program, that's you joining our program. We give you information. We give you education. We also tell you it might not be overnight. Some clients have overnight results. Some clients don't. Sometimes we have to go through 2 different rounds. Sometimes we have to go through 3. Our goal is to get all of these negative items removed from your credit report and then help you get in position so you can start getting approved for those credit cards, getting those new cars, getting anything that you need. If you want to start a business and you want to get approved for high limit business funding, but bad credit is stopping you, then you are my ideal target. If you have negative items on your credit report, we can get it removed. If you don't have access to funds, if you don't have enough money to afford our repair program, we are going to be making some type of eBook or some type of digital content where you can be able to affordably purchase it and start taking actions by yourself. So if you do want to join our repair program, book a call through the link in the description, and someone on our team will hop on a call with you to see if we are even able to help you in your situation. Our program is structured for certain people to receive a certain result. If you're not someone who we can help, then we will try to give you the best information that we can in order to help you get to the next step.